Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Today, I'm up here working on my truck. It's Saturday. I have all my work done for the week from the table, so thank you for your orders from gunmetalcustoms.com. Today I want to talk about my piece of shit GoPro Hero 8. I paid $600 for this thing, and every time it's below 30 degrees, you can't make a video on it. You may have noticed my videos have dropped off on the channel lately. And it's not because I don't have anything to do. I have this beautiful building to build things in, and I'm building all kinds of things in it. It's because I can't record for more than 3 seconds on this piece of shit. So if you're a young budding YouTuber or social media influencer, or you want to get into filming your projects, or you want to buy your kid or your grandkid a camera so they can capture things and share them with you or whatever, don't buy this garbage. Don't buy this garbage. There's a helpful article on GoPro's site about how you should keep it in a pocket or maybe put it in your nutsack to keep it warm when it's below 30 out. So they know it's a problem and they're not doing anything about it. It's a piece of shit. The only way that I'm able to get it to work at all is to hook it to my jump pack, which is essentially an external battery pack. But it's a huge hassle, and it makes it very, very difficult for me to set it up and film while I'm working on the truck. It makes it very, very difficult, like I want to, film things on the tractor or whatever. It's garbage. It's garbage. So I'm always happy to tell people who want to start in YouTube or want to start in social media what I use and how I use it. Don't use that crap. I told you in a previous video that I'm using one, and it makes beautiful videos as long as it's above 30 degrees. That thing is shit. Don't buy one. I'm done with it. I hope this helps you. I hope somebody from GoPro sees this and is a little bit irritated, but probably not. If you watch it, feel free to send it to GoPro. Feel free to tag them in this video. It's a piece of shit. They know it's a piece of shit. It's plugged in right now because it keeps saying the battery's dead. But the battery's not dead. Here, let's try it. Let me just demonstrate. Because inevitably in the comments I'll get, I live in the Bahamas and I have no problem with my GoPro, blah, 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 blah. So we'll sit here and we'll film a pretend video. Hi, welcome to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR and I'm pissed off because my GoPro's a piece of shit. Let's go walk around and try to show a video. Oh look, it's already down to 10%. We went from 20% when we started to 10%, just like that. And it's actually warm in here. I've been running my furnace or my torpedo heater. So that thing's been on for about 30, 40 minutes. I was trying to film a video over here. I don't have a tripod for my phone. 30 seconds. You probably won't get a full minute out of it. I have a bunch of fucking 40-second long clips in here where this thing just taps out. Like, oh, I'm done. Sorry, bye. And I'm sick of it. And I don't want it to happen to anybody else. Like this thing, I get it in the professional camera world. It's not super expensive. Oh, there it goes. 9%. It was at, oh, now it's at 0. Fuck you. Fuck you, GoPro, you stupid piece of shit. So anyway, I apologize. I know some of you are sensitive. If you're looking at a camera, don't buy that piece of garbage. Thanks for watching.